right, we're here in Rec Man's Kitchen. We're gonna make apple ladybugs today. I got apples, peanut butter, almonds, pretzels, and raisins, or I'm using dried blueberries, but you can mix it up, use what you want. We're gonna cut these and core them. All right, we cored and sliced our apples into eighths. We're gonna add a dab of peanut butter to hold it all together between each slice. All right, we added our peanut butter in between each one. We're gonna add our raisins, or like I said, I have blueberries, and put it where the peanut butter is sticking out, and it'll stick for you. This is our spots on the ladybug, right? Like I said, I also have almonds, so if you wanna do almonds instead, not as much of those black spots, but they look pretty good still, right? Almonds, yummy alternative there. And then our pretzels, right? So we add a little bit more peanut butter. We're gonna make our antenna. Get it to stick down as best you can. There you go. Our ladybug peanut butter, raisins, or blueberries with pretzels. We've got apples, a healthy snack for the kids while you're home with them, something for them to do and something good for them to eat. Thanks for coming to Rec Man's Kitchen.